Hello, Bayshore. Here's a quick tutorial on how you can use Office to help make your assignments a little bit easier for your students. I hope you're staying well and I hope this helps you. I made an All About Me assignment just for practice. And I put in the directions, create a poster all about you in a Word document and submit it to this assignment. So you can click on your Launchpad, click Office 365, click Yes. And you're going to want your students to use probably Microsoft Word. If they're older, they might be able to use the other options as well, but Word seems to work the best for our students. And instruct them to click New Blank Document. Now, the way Word opens up in Office 365 on the internet through the school district, there are not as many functions as if they would download Microsoft onto their computers, but it still works pretty well. They could do the normal typing like this, or they can add things as well. So like if they're doing a document on teaching about themselves, they might want to insert some pictures, they might want to insert word art or emojis, fun things like that. So this can kind of just spice up their lessons. So I'm just going to type all about me. And what's awesome about using OneDrive is that it saves automatically, so they don't have to remember to save it. It'll be in their OneDrive account as they're logged into the district. So even if they want to, they can share it with you inside OneDrive if Schoology crashes. Now, I've been helping my students learn, though, how to save it a little bit better. They can simply click in this box and rename it. So I would rename this All About and my name. Now it's going to save exactly like that inside of OneDrive. You just have to teach your students how to find it so they can upload it. An easy option is to just click File, Save As, and then they can download it as a copy to their computer if they're not very good at using OneDrive yet. So you could click Download the copy, click Download, and then it will go into their regular downloads. When it blinks, it is ready for them. If they open it on their computer, it will look like this. Remind your students to click Enable Editing, but now they could just file and save it onto their desktop so they can upload it easily back inside of Schoology. They would just click File, Save As. Then instead of clicking on OneDrive if they're logged into the school computer, they could click this PC, and then they will find where it says desktop. Now mine is going to look a lot different than theirs because this is my home laptop. However, they would have less options and it will work a lot faster. Now, I like just having them save it inside OneDrive though, and I've been trying to teach my students how to log into OneDrive on their computers because then everything is completely saved. There's a really great backup feature so they won't lose any of their work. So when they want to find their work they've been working on, they can just go back into Office 365, click on OneDrive, and then their document should come up at the top if you click on Modified. You want to put newer to older, and mine is right here. So now I can upload it into Schoology, or I can click on it to edit it. Anything I need to do, it's right here. I've also been helping students by showing them how to create folders inside OneDrive, such as this one practice folder. You can just tell them to click New Folder and then name it. So we'll just put a 1 so it goes up to the top. We'll put All About Me, create. So if they find the document that they want to move to the folder, they can click the 3 dots, click Move To, and then just choose the location of where they want it to go. So it's my OneDrive and my first folder, All About Me. Then click Move here. Now they'll be easily to find it wherever they log in on any device that's logged into OneDrive. Now if I X out and go back into Schoology and I want to submit this assignment over here for students, there'll be a submit button and then there'll be a file button just like we see. Here's what it would look on the student's end. They would click All About Me or the assignment that you created, click Submit Assignment. Then they just have to upload their assignment by clicking this File button and finding where they saved it. If it's on the desktop, they can click Desktop. Like I said, if they log into OneDrive, they'll be able to find it easily, though, on any device, which is awesome. So I click it, click Open, and just simply submit. Then it'll be right in Schoology, which is pretty awesome because you can see it without having to share, they can see it without having to share, and they can go in and download it anytime in case they do lose it from their device. I hope this helps. If you guys have more questions, please get on Friday for our professional development meeting on Teams with Mrs. Kennedy, and we will be glad to help you. Message me for any questions too. Have a great day, guys.